Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10th science. This is carbon and its compound unit test paper number 2. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 1. Now let us move for unit test paper number 2. The first question of unit test paper is, which of the following will undergo addition reaction? So if the compound which will undergo addition reaction should be always unsaturated hydrocarbon ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್, ಇದು ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್, ಇದು ಈಥೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್, ಇದು ಈಥೀನ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ for the first question the right option is option D, C2H4, that is ethene. Then let us move for the second question. Dash gas is released when ethanoic acid treated with sodium bicarbonate. Acid reaction with metal carbonate will releases a gas called carbon dioxide. So for the second question, the right option is option B, carbon dioxide. Now let us move for third question. So what is catenation? So catenation is defined as the self-linking property of a carbon with carbon or with other atoms in the form of chain. So this is called as catenation. Next, why does carbon exist in large number of compounds? So they exist in large number of compounds because due to catenation and tetravalency. Now let us move for question number 5. In the question number 5 they have given, write the formation of nitrogen molecule. So let us write how nitrogen molecule is formed. So nitrogen molecule, so nitrogen atomic number 7. So if you distribute the electron, so K shell 2 L5, so 2 plus 5 will become 7. So now let us write, so always nitrogen exists as N2. So this is one N and this is another N. So let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the valence electron. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This nitrogen will share the electrons with this nitrogen, and this nitrogen will share the electrons with this nitrogen. It will become N triple bond N. It is a trivalent. Next, sixth question gogana. Which is the simplest form of hydrocarbon? Why? So which is called as simplest form of hydrocarbon and why? So the simplest form of hydrocarbon is methane. So methane na simplest form of hydrocarbon anta kariತೀವಿ. Why? Because it has least number of carbon atoms. Since it has least number of carbon atoms, methane is called as simplest form of hydrocarbon. Now let us move for the next question. Let us move for question number 7. What are cyclic hydrocarbon or cycloalkane? Write the structure of cyclopropane. So what are cyclic hydrocarbon or cycloalkane? So this is a special type of hydrocarbon A special type of hydrocarbon having a single bond with general formula with general formula CnH2n, having a general formula CnH2n. This is called as cycloalkene, and it has a closed chain. Then example, write the structure of cyclopropane they have given. So let us write the structure of cyclopropane. So general formula CnH2n. So prop means carbon 3, C3, H2 into 3, so C3H6. So let us write the structure of cyclopropane. 1, 2, 3, single bond, single bond, single bond. For each carbon we have to share 2 electrons. So this is the structure of cyclopropane. Now let us move for question number 8. What are isomers? Write the isomers of pentane. So let us write what are isomers and isomers of pentane. The organic compound having same molecular formula but different structural formula. So let us write the isomers of pentane. So let us write the isomers of pentane now. So isomers of pentane. So isomers of pentane, there are 3 isomers of pentane. They are, first one is normal pentane, second one is isopentane, third one is neopentane. So normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. So let us write the molecular formula for pentane, normal pentane, C5H12. For isopentane, it is C5H12. For neopentane, it is C5H12. So all the 3 are having the same molecular formula, but let us write the structure of normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಐಸೋಪೆಂಟೇನ್ ಬರೋಣ. 1, 2, 3, 4, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 2, 3, 4. ಸೊ ಈಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮು, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರು ಬೇರೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಯೋಪೆಂಟೇನಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಿಯೋಪೆಂಟೇನು 1, 2, 3, ಇಯರ್ 1 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಇಯರ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯಿತು. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Idu 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the structure. All the three are having normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Same molecular formula, but they have different structural formula. Such a organic compound is called isomers. Now let us move for ninth question. What is addition reaction? Give example. Then second question, what is combination reaction? So for that combination reaction, we have to give the example. So what is addition reaction? So for that, let us give example. So what is addition reaction? A reaction of adding hydrogen to unsaturated hydrocarbon in presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst to convert it into saturated hydrocarbon. So this is what we call it as addition reaction. So if I take an example, I will take unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is ethene. Ethene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. When we add hydrogen to ethene in presence of nickel or palladium as a catalyst, so it will become C2H4, 4 plus 2, C2H6. It will become ethane. Ethene unsaturated, ethane saturated. So converting unsaturated hydrocarbon by adding hydrogen in presence of nickel or palladium to convert it into saturated hydrocarbon is called addition reaction. Next, uh, what is combustion reaction? So B question, a reaction in which carbon and its compound burn in air to form water, carbon dioxide, heat and light. Example for combustion, so we have taken, that is methane. So methane is when methane is burnt in presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide plus it forms water. So carbon dioxide ಮತ್ತೆ water formation ಆಯ್ತು. CH4 plus 2O2 give rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. Along with this one, it releases energy in the form of heat and light. Now let us move for question number 10 and the last question. So that is give example for oxidizing agent. So here oxidizing agent anta bandaga, so 10th one, here we can use alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate as a oxidizing agent. Either alkaline potassium permanganate, it is this one, or potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Now let us move for in that second question. B, write the molecular and structural formula for all the membranes, for all the members of alkene. So let us start from ethene. So alkene ali methane barodilla. So let us start from alkene, that is ethene. So 10th one B. So first one ethene. So general formula CnH2n. C n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, H 2 2s are 4. So double bond ಬರಿಬೇಕು. C double bond C. So here this is ethene. Then second one is propene. Propene. So n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 3. C3 2 3s are 6. 1 2 3. In between these two we can put double bond, or in these two we can put double bond. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So propene. After propene butene. Bute ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ carbon 4 4 2s are 8. 1 2 3 4. ಇಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So double bond, single bond H, single bond H. So 1 2 3, here on 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then after butene pentene. C5H10. So 1 2 3 4 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ H, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ H. 1 2 3 ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So like this we have to write the molecular and structural formula of the members of alkene. By this successfully we have answered all the questions related to unit test paper number 2 of carbon and its compound of class 10 science. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 3. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thanks for everyone for supporting my YouTube channel. So thank you very much.